Yep. They're not having it Monday because of the weather. I'm about to take these out. Alright, y'all. I'm about to eat me a shrimp sandwich right quick. Let me just coat. Alright, y'all. I got my shrimp done. Let me show y'all my shrimp first.
You have a huge torso.
Got all my shrimp done.
Yeah, you definitely made.
I already had my sandwich. Mama said my uncle brought her some ground mother. My Uncle Jack. So that's what she finna fry. What you did? 3 for me? 4 for you?
Oh, I apologize, nothing. I don't care. I don't want your apology. I'm gone. That's why I don't hard like to go.
This stuff is gonna get worse. It ain't gonna get no better. It's not. It's just not gonna get better because you always gonna find simple-minded people like that. But yeah. So tomorrow we still have like tonight of this, and tomorrow it's leaking in my room by my window.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself a warm.
Hey y'all, what's going on, everybody?
Yep, it's gonna be bad. You're gonna come in tonight, gonna be bad tomorrow and Monday. All the way through Monday.
How y'all doing? Welcome back to our channel, the family, the crew. Hope you guys are doing great. Having a good start to y'all weekend.
Back there.
We'll pass back down our way back. Philip, remind me to pass back down our way back, okay? So you can see the water.
Oh.
Yep. Here. Say it, Mom.
Hey.
Right there, what?
Because I'm headed to the store.
We headed out where I can get my shrimp and crabs and come out of this weather.
Are you gonna do potato salad? Because you said you wouldn't, but you know I like potato salad.
Do we have eggs?
We can get a thing of eggs from Claymore.
You gotta get some egg and potatoes then.
And that's it, y'all. We're gonna chill today. This rain coming in. Y'all probably gonna be hearing on y'all news and Good Morning America and everything else, that big old thing that's in the Gulf and from Florida, Georgia, Alabama, here in Mississippi, Louisiana.
We're gonna get it. Winter storm surge watch, tropical storm watch, flooding, wind, possibility of tornadoes.
Yeah, and it's a little heavy, and it's already flooded. Like most areas are already flooded. Philip, what you want to eat today? Well, I need you to tell me. But yeah, you ain't got to worry about that.
Do you eat pizza rolls?
Yeah, but he needs something he gonna eat it before off for, because he eat pizza rolls. He gonna be hungry.
Oh yeah, spaghetti. Guess he getting tired of eating spaghetti.
Do you know what you want, Philip?
No, I don't. Because, like, all the food I used to eat, it just makes me sick. It just makes me sick. I can't eat it. Like, I can't eat McDonald's because it made me constipated.
Well, would you like for me to fix you some thing of spaghetti?
Unless we could go to the store and buy some canned spaghetti.
They do have canned spaghetti. They got some at home. But if you eat one, you're going to be hungry a few minutes later.
Well, yeah, you're right. I don't know. Like, that's the problem.
You don't know what you want to eat?
Unless you're going to, like, fix me a meal, like macaroni and, like, chicken.
Well, I fried chicken yesterday. That's why I'm asking. What do
I
you...
didn't get to eat any.
Really?
Yes.
So you want me to fry you some chicken?
I want some chicken. I just really want to. I don't know.
So you want some fried chicken? Because I can fry some more chicken. I'm not going to do a lot. Because like I said, we having gumbo tomorrow. So I'll do just enough. So I can do some fried chicken. And you want some macaroni? What you want with it?
With the macaroni?
Yes. Yeah, because he going to want a meal. You can't just do...
I might actually take like a real, like on a real plate.
Yeah. Or do you want some shrimp? You want some fried shrimp with some
corn with macaroni.
Shrimp, corn, and macaroni?
And some chicken.
Well, I'm not frying chicken legs and shrimp. Are you
shrimp.
30?
Macaroni and corn. That's all.
Shrimp, macaroni, and corn.
I'll
Okay.
eat that.
So you want some fried shrimp, macaroni, and corn. Okay, that'll work. How that sound to you, man?
You still got cornmeal.
I think I bought a whole box of cornmeal, a whole bag of cornmeal when I went to the store. Unless somebody used it on. I can't pick up one, but I thought I bought a regular, like when I got that flour, I got cornmeal. It should be in the cabinet.
Mom, how good am I doing in school?
You did real good. You passed with all A's and B's.
So, am I in the 3rd grade now?
Yes, you
Gail got their report card?
They'll be mailing it. They just emailed their grades. Oh, my stomach hurt.
My stomach was just hurt 3 minutes ago.
Well, how that sound to you?
Sounds good.
And I know we're going to have shrimp in a gumbo, but that's just shrimp in a gumbo.
Yeah.
Them all them people getting their hard time.
Mom, it's just 2 people. Is that car right there in that blue car? That whoever that car for that, they servicing something. It's Saturday. I guess that's when a lot of people can go out and do stuff when they ain't got work. I know what I want to tell y'all before I cut the camera off. Thank everybody who's been watching my second channel and support me on my videos over there. I know a lot of people was thinking that I was doing like a weight loss journey, but I'm not. Girl, we eat. Y'all know we eat. It's just my overall fitness and health and just being a healthier me for me. You know, my mobility and all of that. That's what it's about, and that's what it's been about. You guys that's been following me for a while know I've been doing this now for this June made 2 years that I've been doing like my yoga and workout and fitness and all of that. So it's nothing new. I just don't talk about it all the time over here because, you know, people get bored with videos and stuff like that if that's not what you came on the channel for. So that's why I got my second channel just designated to everything me and fitness and whatnot. And it's not just workout stuff that I do or share workout stuff. I share hauls. I'll be sharing cooking stuff. And then it's more or less for my brand and for, you know, just for me branding myself and what I'm doing for me and my goals. Because it's like, yes, I do YouTube. Yes, I get paid from YouTube. But I have other dreams and other things that I'm doing. I have another job that I do. And branding myself is important. And if I can get both of them into one and can get paid for my second channel and get paid for, you know, my actual business, it's all about, you know, making a name for yourself and doing what you got to do for you. And like I said, I get that a lot of people not really into workout, and I'm not pushing that on nobody. I'm not pushing for people to be like, oh, go watch my channel, see me work out. Because like I said, it's not about that. It's just about, and I know a lot of people be kind of like, oh my God, all she gonna talk about is healthy food and vegetables and fruits. No, it's nothing like that. I still cook meals. I still, you know, we having fried shrimp today with macaroni, so I still cook. I still do meals. It's just balancing it all and portion control, serving sizes, healthier ways to eat certain things. I love pasta. I love Alfredo, and it's not too many different shortcuts on it, but the few shortcuts you can take and doing a portion control of what size you're gonna have with it and whatnot, stuff like that. But like I said, I still eat ice cream and all that other stuff. It's just working out and all that, everything else that goes along with it. Because I'm tired. You know, y'all know I take medicine. I have medicine that I take for my Graves' disease, and I take one for my lupus. The rest is for my Graves' disease and stuff, and with my heart and all of that, and steroids and stuff. And having to take that, it causes other issues. It causes me to have a lot of pain in my legs, and I have shortness of breath a lot. So you incorporate that in with not really moving around, and a lot like when this weather changed like this, my legs hurt really bad. Mama tell you, I'll be in the bed for 2-3 days because I'll be hurting so bad. But if I don't work out and I'm hurting bad, my joints and muscles are going to lock up and it's going to cause me to hurt more. But with me working out and doing it, not daily, but stretching and doing my yoga and stuff like that daily, it helps me. So when it's raining or if I'm having a day with a flare up with my Graves' disease, I don't hurt as much. So that's what helps me. And I told you guys, my doctor, he been having me doing that for over a year. And I'm doing a lot better than where I was. And I was in pain. Like, I was literally in a lot of pain to where I was on bed rest for weeks. But, like I say, now I'm more mobile and all of that. So that's what it's about. So, what about you? What you got to say? What you got to talk about?
The only thing I had to talk about is weather. They're going to have the driver, sit in your cars at our church tomorrow, but they cancel all that out. But I wasn't going. I just watched church service on TV. On my phone.
Verified to receive. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. You too.
But most of the conversation now is the weather. It just I just pray we don't get no tornadoes.
Yeah, we got tornadoes.
There ain't nobody going nowhere. You just got to continuously pray. And that's it. Pray and keep it in God's hand, baby. Because one thing about it, no shelters ain't open. I know a lot of people, they was asking with, like, if they, in a low-lying area and they flood real bad, what they supposed to do. And they don't have any shelters that's open. They can't open any shelters because everything with COVID. So they were saying if you have family, that you can go by that live in an area that's not low-lying or flooding, go there. Or if you, want to go get a hotel room or something, you can do that. If you have to, evacuate because of the flooding or stuff. Or if you're in a mobile home and you don't feel safe in a mobile home, like they said, either try to get a hotel room or go stay with family or whatever, but they have no shelters open. And like they said, sadly, due to all this with COVID, they don't know how long it's going to be like this because this, hurricane season is going to continue and they're not going to be able to open up shelters and stuff like that. So people just going to be leaving and going somewhere else. Well, now your mama got to go to Claiborne, see, because they put all their boats and stuff there. They boats and mobile homes. And that's all them people that's on Shoreline Drive. Over here, off of 603 on Shoreline. And that's by that bio area.
But why did everyone put their boats in here?
Because of the flood. Was you not listening? Because of the flooding coming in, you can't keep your boats on the water or on a riverboat way. Like back on the bayou and the rivers and the lakes and on the beachfront and by the harbor, they can't let their boats sit out there. Philip, I said that. Was you not listening when I said that? No. And like the people who have RVs and travel trailers, they got to move all of that.
And they said this the first time we had tropical depression, tropical storm 3 in a row back to back, especially the first part of June, because we usually have it like July, but this the first time 3 back to back. And it been hot in that water, it's hot.
I don't see. I don't see none at all. I just see the shrimp. Cause that's the tilapia. They got claws. That's all, Mom.
She's over there.
You wasn't gonna get no crawfish to put in there? Huh? You won't get no crawfish to put in there?
Oh, they high.
How come when I'm buying them, the one
Over there.
is that the? Yeah, that's the red one. Stuff out of Claiborne. I didn't record a lot because there had a lot of people in there. I don't like recording when the stores be crowded. I don't be wanting to be all up in people's face. And I don't be wanting to blur nothing out. Got me a moon pie.
Y'all friendly lady.
That's the one that works in the deli too. This one is the vanilla one. I like the vanilla and the banana.
Ooh, there ain't nobody in
Phew, no one in
here. That's right. Good, there ain't nobody in here.
Got 20 last time, man.
You going in?
Ain't you going in too?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, feel up there.
Mom.
Alright, y'all, we're leaving out. With everything going on in our country and our nation today. And I am wearing my black, my black unapologetic shirt. I guess he thought I'm jumping up like, ain't nobody, I'm not going to steal your shrimp. I'm not going to riot your shrimp. It's just the way he was looking, like he honestly was looking like he was scared. Like, I'm like, who did you think I was? Did you think I was on the
They're going to bum them up.
Right.
Like, come on, I'm going to take a picture of me where you go there and bum them up.
Mama, don't forget to stop at that thing.
I know.
Alley thing. Where I can see the water.
And I was going to give me some crawfish, but that man made me mad, so I didn't even want none of his crawfish. I got some shrimp because Philip wanted shrimp. Because trust me, if Philip didn't want these shrimp, I wouldn't have got the shrimp. Mama would have got her shrimp for her gumbo, and I would have been here.
Oh, if he would have went on and this and that, I wouldn't have got nothing. I'm going to say, well, keep your shrimp, keep your gumbo. Keep your gumbo crabs. And his wife would have been mad, but she friendly.
Yeah, she real friendly. Like I say, racist people come in all colors and shapes and forms, ain't it? Let's see, stuff is gonna get worse. It ain't gonna get no better. It's not. It's just not gonna get better because you always gonna find simple-minded people like that. But you just gotta rise above it, know how to fight it and deal with it, and definitely don't let nobody walk over you.
And I sure don't. Cause what I gotta tell, I don't care who it is, but I gotta tell them, I'm gonna tell them.
All right, Billy Phil. Let's drive back.
I love going back here. I don't know why.
Well, Mitchell said we're gonna be going fishing, but not back here. Since he got his truck, we're gonna be going fishing after the weather clear up.
Yes.
Got people back here fishing.
He got a new truck.
Yeah, he got
Philip, you didn't see that truck parked in the driveway when we were leaving?
I was asking who it was.
That was Mitchell's.
Oh, it probably was in.
I said, you just gotta get some seat covers. He said he is.
Is that train track still there?
Got people back. Look at them. They ought to be biting too.
Yeah, they back here fishing.
I wish we could fish over here. It looks nice.
See, they bringing that barge in.
Whoa, that water's high.
Hey there.
Ain't that Neville?
I don't know who that man is, but he just caught him a fish. Yeah, that man had one of them bamboo canes he made. You just ain't caught him a fish. Yeah, that water high. It's getting higher.
Well, Rosemary and them,
Guess I go down that street. Let's see that water. We already done seen this ditch.
they might well start putting that back, bringing them barricades. They're probably gonna bring them to season, huh?
Yeah, because they street flood normally.
Oh, I wonder what this ditch looks like. Pay attention.
Yeah, it's flooded bad already. Look, Philip.
Ooh.
It's already starting to flood on both sides.
Oh my.
That's our cousin yours. It's already starting to flood. They whole yard is flooded. This where the alligator. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to pass down this street. And that thing ain't even came in yet. But yeah, all this her yard, like all this here is gray.
Oh, mama.
And it's over there on that side too. That's our other cousin yard on that end. They got the other connecting ditch over there. Yep, they'll have all this blocked off. And all that water come all the way up on our street.
I want to get my grass because
Yeah,
of
that water
that
be-
high grass to help the water.
That water be coming all up here. I had to click it because I wasn't showing y'all my street. But yep. And then our cousin that live in that house right there, behind his house,
Look,
it's flooded.
Dang, that looks.
that water done
can
come
see
up
it.
already. God,
Dang, that's terrible.
Let me see. I don't even know if y'all can see that.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to see it. But when it get higher, I'll show y'all. Cause mama head in a way. But yeah, y'all might
you
can
see it?
But it's already coming up in his yard, like where his house at, his back step, you can see it.
But we gonna put right in front of our steps.
Alright y'all, let me show y'all what I got real quick. I went and got me some caramels or caramels, whatever you like to call them, because I've been wanting some. Plus, I wanted to do some brownies, and I had seen a recipe. I got 2 things of the Louisiana seasoned fish fry, some macaroni, well, elbow macaroni, because I will be making homemade macaroni with the shrimp today. I got me 1 thing of the Martha White banana muffin mix, because I'll be making them this week. 1 more moon pie. I bought 2 banana and vanilla. I ate the vanilla. A thing of bread pudding. I make that bread pudding. When y'all see I get the bread pudding mix, but I didn't feel like making one, so I just bought me a small one. Mama got some chicken broth, thing of icing, her gumbo base, some crawfish tails, fresh pork, potatoes for the potato salad. I got me some shrimp. I'm gonna fry some shrimp today. And mama got some gumbo crabs, and then these are the shrimp she got for her gumbo. But like she said, she not putting, it's a big bag though. It's a real big bag. Like she said, she's not putting all these in the gumbo. She gonna leave some for shrimp and okra and some other stuff she gonna do. And then this here, like I said, it's a good size bag. I'm frying these today. And I'm going to do some macaroni, homemade macaroni and cheese, and some corn.
Y'all didn't watch this morning?
The family. I was not going to record while I was cooking because I just was like, I am not in the mood. But I said, I'm just going to go ahead on and do it. I boiled some macaroni. These are the big macaroni noodles because I prefer the bigger ones. I just put some butter in there. I got the Imperial. It's just what I have. And I put some sour cream. I did about... I want to say about a tablespoon maybe of sour cream, maybe a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons of butter, and that was it. And this is a pound of the macaroni noodles. I think this was 2 pounds. I think this was 2 pounds if I'm not mistaken. Back here on the back, I just have some corn, and I opened up 3 cans. I drained the juice off of 2, and I left the juice of 1. I did some salt, pepper, a little sugar, and some butter. I'm about to go ahead and add my cheese. These are my shrimp that I have sitting here because I'm about to fry them. My macaroni is going to go in the oven, and then mama going to fry some fish. So I got the Velveeta cheese. I got the cheddar, the original. Then I got the Kraft short cheddar. and the sharp cheddar. Yeah, I don't have any mozzarella. I thought I had some, but I don't. I have the Mexican style blend, and I had like 3 of these in my refrigerator, but I don't want to use the Mexican style blend. So I'm just gonna use these and just use cheddar and just let it be. And then like I said, I'll be covering this up and popping that in the oven. I got my deep fryer already on, ready for some of my shrimp to go in. And of course, I'm just gonna pop these in and just let the cheese melt and all of that, because you know everything is already cooked. And like I said, Mama will be frying her fish. My uncle just brought her some, and it's already cleaned and whatnot, so she's gonna fry them. He brought her some peas and some fresh snap beans and squash.
Yeah, he clean.
So yeah, say hey.
He got them out here going. Hey.
So yeah, and then tomorrow we'll be doing gumbo.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best.
Alright, you guys, this is about to go in the oven. I got it on 400.
I'm sorry. Let me look at this. Is this look legit? It says apparently I didn't register my.
I don't know, you might want to call them because I think. What?
Where's the Reese?
My Reese's is in my room.
Yeah, but where
I don't know. I'm about, and you about to eat dinner.
I just ate.
Go get you one. Bye.
Hey,
Well, go look for it.
come here.
Okay. I'm about to put this in the oven on 400 degrees for I don't know how long, but I'm just gonna watch it. I'm just gonna watch it, though. I just need it to brown on the top because it's done. Yeah, it's already done.
Philip, come here.
Alright, got the shrimp in here. Y'all didn't miss much. Still my shrimp.
Don't start school.
They not having it Monday because of the weather.
Did it happen Tuesday?
Yep. They not having it Monday because of the weather. I'm about to take these out. Alright, y'all. I'm about to eat me a shrimp sandwich right quick. Let me just coat because I was hungry. And I'm about to fry her these fish. Like I said, my uncle already cut them up and they fresh. He went fishing. So they fresh shrimp. He cleaned them and all that for her. These will be coming out. Alright, y'all. I got my shrimp done. Let me show y'all my shrimp first. Got all my shrimp done.
Yeah, you definitely made.
I already had my sandwich. Mama said my uncle brought her some ground mother. Uncle Jack. So that's what she finna fry. What you did? 3 for me? 4 for you?
I don't know what happened. I wanted 3 for me, 3 for you, but I don't know how I get it.
Oh, that's good.
Everybody else like their belly by shorts. I was wearing short shorts and everything out pocket in them. And I can keep them on. Oh, you're doing that? Yeah.
Girl, I told you to lock this stuff up.
We ain't locking nothing up.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near.
Alright, this is right by our house and stuff. Like, yeah, this is right by our house. I'm not walking through all this because they be having alligators back here. But that's, like I said, right by our house. Our cousin house right next to us. Our other cousin house. It's everywhere. Like, yeah, everything is flooded. You cannot get past. That water is going up to our cousin's steps and everything. But they left. They already evacuated. We didn't leave and go anywhere because it's like it's nowhere to go. Yeah.
Oh, Mama.
And I don't want to walk in my cousin's yard. Well, I guess we can. Hold on.
Mama, listen.
Hey.
Mama,
Y'all see? Wait, Philip. Y'all see how that water is in his yard? All that water is up in the back of our yard. Y'all can't see it because that tree
Mom,
there.
that is not real. That's not real.
And all of this is like his front yard, and then the back of our other cousin yard, like all that's grass. And I don't know if y'all can see his chairs over there. Like his chairs is almost under water. His grill and everything. The water done went up to like his third step. So yeah, it's crazy. And it's not thunder and lightning, it's just raining and everything. So yeah. So this is gonna be like a huge mess to clean up, and it's bad like this on the beach front. Y'all see these buckets are moving everywhere. Our beach is completely closed from Pascagoula all the way down to Waveland. So like from coastal to coastal area, the beaches are completely closed. Everything is closed. Restaurants had to close down. Everything just shut down. So it's like, I'm not going, baby, I'm not walking in there. So it's like our city and stuff is completely shut down. The police came through here, like I said, to see how we was doing and stuff. So yeah. So I'm finna go back in my house. Come on, little one. Alright, you guys. I had to put a blanket in my bathroom because it is leaking up here because of the wind with all of this rain that's coming in from my area. It's leaking bad, so I have to keep on putting something down and drying them. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. And hold on, I had to change clothes. And also, I've been doing this all day and switching out blankets. I have 2 here because my window is leaking. So I had to put 2 blankets down, and this one is soaked. And I've had this one on for an hour because my window is leaking because the wind is coming in from the east and it's blowing it in. It's blowing it in from a little crack up there, and I got my window, so when the rain blows, it leaks bad. So I'm about to take these out and dry those, and the ones that's in the dryer, I'm about to put them back on here. So fun, that's gonna be my night. Yeah, that's kind of what we've been doing and watching. That's all we can do. Watch this Netflix and yeah, watch this Netflix, YouTube, and we still got tonight and all tomorrow.
It's not even attaching. Water is coming over those walls, and a rather significant rain. And this wind, I don't know if you can hear it. It has